Hello everyone. So this is another video on my mission to create one video a day. So today is about my jewelry making. I create jewelry since the year 2000, something like that. I started by making jewelry for myself and for my daughter and my friends, and then I got all kind of requests for different colors, I like to use gemstones, and so it became like a on-site type of business, a gig. Then it evolved in online store. I actually at this moment I run two Etsy stores. One is almost empty because I don't have time to make so many pieces. And in this video I want to share some tips on how to sell your jewelry, because just running an online store and without sending traffic to that store or exposing or marketing, you're not going to sell anything. So with me, I mean, I don't sell only online. I'm lucky enough to be able to travel to Caribbean back and forth and New Jersey, and I put most of my jewelry in consignment in those stores in the Caribbean, where people travel and they want souvenirs and stuff like that. But still, the main business is online. So there are a lot of Etsy sellers in my Facebook, amongst my Facebook friends, and they know me because I share a lot of Instagram tips, as Instagram is my money maker. I have one profile there that actually I'm running 5 profiles because I'm an online entrepreneur and I run multiple income streams, but I have this one only, actually 2 of them for jewelry. One for one store, Etsy store, and the other one for the other. And I sell from Instagram. But the problem there is that you need to build a following, because unless you have a couple of thousand followers, nobody will ever see you. So now I'm at around 5,000 each. I want to have thousands and thousands. I mean, I'm at 5,000. It's good enough. I make maybe one, 2 sales a month, and because I don't really market a lot, I don't have enough time. But still, it's good. It's coming from Instagram. Then I post in Facebook groups and in the marketplace. And then I show to my local friends and stores here. So jewelry business, being a jewelry maker, is not it's fun, but it's not very easy to make a full-time income. It's difficult. To be honest, I tried Amazon also, Amazon Handmade, and I wasn't successful there. I mean, I sold very, very few pieces. I don't know about the other Amazon platform, the Fulfillment by Amazon. I saw a lot of people are successful in that. I never tried because my stuff is handmade and it's unique. I don't think it applies to something like that. So my message here in this video is, if you guys want to get on my email list, where I can send a lot of Instagram tips and tricks and secrets, and it's free. Please comment below, and I'll put you on my list, and you will receive some. I have actually a full list of, like a bullet list with like shortcuts. I have videos to explain. I have free ebooks. What else I have? And I send emails occasionally when I find something new. I share with my list. So that's why I have like a little over 1,000 people on my list, but let me tell you, I know most of them by first name, and they are with me for more than 1 year, and they grew their accounts with me, and I have a good relationship with them. So if you want to grow your Instagram, go for it. So that's it for today about my jewelry making venture, and how I managed to make some money with my jewelry making. And tomorrow I'm gonna tell you about another stream of income. And just you know, on the last note, I love making jewelry, and I know it's not very profitable, but it relaxes me. I'm getting stressed out most of the time with these funnels and all the marketing and all the time. I'm sometimes I'm getting worn out and burned out. But you know, when I pick up my wire and my little pliers, they are always close to me. You know, I always make something, and I'm working on now. My thing is, I love to make dragon eyes, so it works. It's nice. So if you have a hobby like me, or just share with me, that's very nice to hear. It's interesting. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Bye now.